Beefy bites. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Mr. Beefy.
That's me.
I'm Tuna Beefy. That's me. At Beefy Bites. And today, open Digimon cards.
Yeah, today we're going to open some Digimon cards. We got some cards from one of the newer sets, the BT13. And we got a box topper card. Whoa. You want to open that one and look at it real quick? You want to start with the box topper?
Yeah.
All right, here, let me help you out. Here. Is that, I don't know. Oh, that's, all right. Help me tear. Whoa.
Whoa.
All right, can you hold it up to the camera so they can see the cool art?
Shiny.
Yeah, it is shiny. Hold it up. A little lower so they can see it. Yeah, so this was a box topper and a booster box. Metal Garurumon Ace. But yeah, pretty cool. Really like the art on that one, don't we? Ooh. Junior Beefy is ready. Alright. I guess I could, use the perforated spot right there. Alright. I'm going to hold him. You pull him off. Alright. Rock Chessmon. Galgamon. Sunflowermon. Ooh. I like that art. Falcomon. Whoa, look at that one. I like that art. Ooh, it's a full art card. Let's look at that real quick.
Wow.
Wow.
Cool.
Yeah, I was trying to look at the artist on it there.
No, I pulled it.
Oh, you want to hold it and show it to the camera? All right, show it off to the camera.
Whoa.
Show it off to the camera, silly. Whoa, I'm trying to see who the artist is.
Yeah.
Junior doesn't want to let me look at it.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's a pretty cool one. Odin's Breath. Oh, it looks like a little owl. Ooh, pretty cool. Awesome. Well, by far, I'm going to have to say the coolest one was that full art card. If I can find it back. There it is. Awesome. Ready to open another pack?
Yeah.
All right. Do we like our Digimon cards?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. I do like the art on Digimon.
Ooh.
Oh, we got one of those already. Ooh, look at that one.
What's that?
What's that? It is a Balhuckmon. Balhuckmon?
Wow. What's that?
It's a King Sukamon. This is Crowmon. Looks like a cat. Rise Crowmon. Oop. Savior Huckmon. That one's kind of cool looking. I like that art. Gankomon. Pawn Chessmon. And that's it. Which ones were your favorite? Which card was your favorite? Oh, there, hold it right there. That's Junior Beefy's favorite out of this one. It was the box topper. Daddy liked the other one that he showed off some, but I agree with you. I think this is the coolest looking one. Well, I think that's it for today. Oh, no, you want to show him something? Is this a bonus? Whoa, that's Mario and Luigi, but what's inside? Whoa, is this your Digimon collection?
Whoa.
Yeah. Yeah? Who is that?
Who is it?
Do I need to lift this up so you can show
Who's
it off
it,
easier?
Dad?
You know who that is.
I know who that is.
Who is it?
Whoa.
Who is it? You know, Agumon.
Agumon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Agumon.
Let's put him on.
Do you need help? almost got it. There you go. All right. Is there any? You want to keep flipping through and show them?
He did turn it to that one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're right.
He turned it to Paimon.
Yeah, he does turn into Greymon.
Turn it to a robot. Whoa. Hey. Turn it to that one.
Yeah.
And it did turn it to that one.
Do you like your Digimon?
Yeah. Whoa, it look like Rhinoceros.
Yeah, it's Plesiomon.
Whoa, it turned to that one. This turned to that one.
Mm-hmm.
This turned to that one.
Yeah. Do you like the Digimon cartoons?
This turned to that one. This turned to that one.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. You're smarter than Daddy when it comes to Digimon. Wow, you like these, don't you?
Whoa.
Mm-hmm.
This Paimon and this Paimon.
Is that a bunch of Greymons? Yeah. All right. Do you want to keep looking? You want to keep showing them off? Whoa.
Cool.
Yeah, pretty cool. There's a couple cool cards. We've probably opened these up on the channel before. Yeah, there's a Snow Agumon.
Look like
What's that one look like? Oh, we're not there yet.
it's a office.
Paracelophus.
Yeah.
It's a Parasamon, so I think you're right.
Wow, what's that?
Gilmon.
Come on. This turned to that one.
Mm-hmm. I think you're right.
Whoa.
Got some blank pages. Good to know. Daddy needs to move those out, doesn't he?
It's a snow one.
Yep, that's a Snow Agumon. Then we got some non-Digimon cards here at the end, don't we? Whoa, what are those?
The alien, a monster,
Yeah, that's an
Sully.
alien call. That's a monster Sully. What's this one?
a Stegosaurus, a dragon, a T-Rex, and then a dragon, and his hands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's it. So is it time to go? What do we say when it's time to go?
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone, and
Have a good day.
have a good day. Thanks for looking at our Digimon cards.
Whoa.
Bowser.
Bowser. I just got